Before you can perform this work, you will need to first remove the left side engine covers. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Also, please remember, Porsche considers all of the hardware with the struts to be single-use only and recommends replacing all hardware every time you remove it or replace the strut. Remove the torque strut by holding the bolt on the engine side, yellow arrow, using a 12mm triple square socket while removing the 16mm nut on the back, green arrow. Once the nut is removed, pull the bolt out from the front. The other side of the torque strut attaches to the bracket on the chassis. In this image, you can just see the threads of the bolt extending past the bracket, green arrow. Use a 16mm socket as shown here to remove the bolt. Now remove the torque strut. Shown here is the torque strut removed from the car. Check to see if there are any cracks or tears in the rubber sections, green arrows. If you find any, the strut should be replaced. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.